Hi guys, today I'm going to eat banana bread, which is right here. You can't actually see it, but only this part.
Here.
But
It's here.
and it's here, and
It's a little bit, ano pa?
and Alicia helped mommy mash the bananas.
Yes po. Kasi nasa school ka when mommy baked, right? Next time, tutulungan mo ako.
Opo.
Ano sinabi ko? What did I say? Next time, tutulungan mo ako. Means what? Next time, are you going to help me?
Opo.
Opo.
Don't want me to scare you with my shark headband. I scare you with your shark headband. And with my shark headband.
Ooh, it's moist. And it has, the banana bread has what? What are
Walnuts.
Yes po. Okay.
And I'm going to eat it.
Mm.
Is it ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it warm now?
Opo, hindi naman siya super hot na ano. Hold on, my love. Hold on, my love. There. Hot pa ba?
Mm-mm.
How is it? Sarap? Promise?
Promise.
Aww, is it your favorite? Like Taco and Ate Shai. You tell them about the banana bread. So,
It has walnuts and bananas.
yep. How about the taste?
The taste, 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 billion trillion gazillion percent.
Oh, wow. Approve siya. Approve.
Opo.
Sino ko approve mo? Paano yung approve? Show mo. So, paano yung comment, like, subscribe?
Comment, like, and subscribe
If
you like the banana bread.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.